Gusto mo ng sariling bahay pero akala mo mahal? Ito, 1.4M lang, bank foreclose pa. Check this out. Located sa First Park Homes, Tanza, Cavite. Townhouse, inner lot, 44 square meter lot, 40 square meter floor area. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Selling price, 1,407,000. No bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Perfect for first-time buyers or small family na gusto ng sariling bahay. Ito ang sample computation. 20% down payment, 281,400. Loanable amount, 1,125,600. Estimated monthly amortization 20 years around 8,500 to 10,000 per month. Suggested required income at least 28,000 to 32,000 monthly. Plus 5,000 earnest money lang to reserve. For closed unit to, kaya limited lang at mabilis maubos. Free house tour assistance available. Message ka na ngayon para ma-secure mo bago pa maunahan. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!